Hi everyone, happy Sunday. Lucia here with a jewelry jar therapy. This one is from an antique mall. I couldn't find any jewelry jars at the Goodwill. I'll try again this week. So I got this one for $50. It's a heavy one. I think it's because the jar is pretty heavy. Okay. So let's see if we have any treasures in here. Right. You stay there. Okay, okay. The tape is really thick. Really thick. Wait a minute. I don't want to break anything. Right. Right. Oh, look how pretty these shoe clips are. Okay. Right. Let's do this for now. Let's maybe half. I think I'm gonna do half for now. Okay. I'm gonna do half, and let's take a look at these two. Well, yeah, I think this one is broken. No, wait a minute. This is for a belt. It's not a shoe clip. I think so, yes. So, that's so cute. The mother of pearl. Okay. I have a bunch of earrings in there. This one says high silver, 80 something. It's a pin made in USA. No idea what it means. We have a stretchy bracelet here with glass beads. They look like some sort of not millefiori, some sort of a glass beads. Right. Okay, that's an earring. I'm gonna set aside the earrings for now. Okay, well, this is pretty. Very pretty. Celia Sophia. Crystal dangles, blue ones. I really like blue. This is a bracelet. Let me smell up here. Of course, it's a bracelet. Okay, I see something over there on the back. Monet. It's a Monet like gunmetal. A finish, also marcasite in black faceted glass stones. It's beautiful, right? And it's in good shape. Good shape. Okay. This is also gunmetal and cross here with blue crystals accents. Very pretty. And then, okay, I have a cuff here. A sheet. It's an embossed design. I don't have a magnet with me to test if it's silver or not. It looks silver to me, but I will test it anyway. Yeah, I like it. It's very comfortable to wear. This is a vintage. Love the beads. A vintage necklace. So with glass. Glass beads here. Also blue. These are painted, I think. Okay. So multi-strand, 6 strands of rice pearls, and a very nice clasp, gold tone. I like that. And I think I have the necklace, right? Too. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, that's beautiful. Same clasp. Yeah, it's a set. They belong together. These two. Rice pearls. Very pretty. Very pretty, pretty. It's a pair of earrings, brass beads, and also some smoky crystals. But I'm going to that side. Earrings. Then, oh my. Okay. Another stretchy bracelet with glass and plastic beads too. Dangles. And this is not in good shape, so I'm going to put it in the crafting lot. Now these are cute too. ATI BRCH. I don't know what that means. Studs. Okay, probably some sort of a silver alloy. This one had seen better days, but I can clean. I can throw it into my ultrasonic cleaner and clean it. A Sarah Coventry, this one with the tassels. Move the strand, gold tone, cleaning pile. Okay, and then I have more. Okay, a bunch of them. I love the pendant on this one. No name on this. No name, no problem. Okay, they're all going into the cleaning this week. I have so much to do, you guys, but I'm taking it easy. One day at a time. I've been really busy planting a lot of flowers, and my vegetables are growing really nice. Okay, I have another multi-strand with a large hook here, so I guess you can do this. It will look like that, something like that, right? With a tassel, also silver, gold tone. Right, come on. And another, oh my, gold tone here, also with a tassel. Multiple ones here. Okay. Oh. This is a large pendant, bit of an abstract, then large, more, more. Yeah, that's a good time because I can wash them and put them outside to try out on my deck. It's nice too. Okay, and I see some earrings here. Okay, wait a minute. $3.40. This pair. Post. A silver tone now. This is in very good shape. Very, very good. Very shiny, also long, and 2 tassels here. Okay. I don't see any name on these clip-ons. I like the red though. And this is glass, not plastic. Okay, there's a little things here. These were earrings at one point. Brass and silver. I need to add some hooks. Okay. Oh, there is something on there. 9 to 5. I was right. My eye is trained. Not an expert, but just handling jewelry for so many years, you kind of develop an eye for things. Some little clip-ons, buttons. Okay, this is another pair with enamel. I always check, another tip you guys, when you have earrings, I always check the post, especially if they are gold tone, right? So this is gold tone, the back, so I'm gonna check the post. Always, always. I don't see anything on these ones though. They're pretty. And another pair. These are faux pearls. Supposed. So this is a very nice Celtic cross. I think this is sterling too. Here, let me check. We have 9 to 5. In the center, it's a very nice one. And a little charm, scissors. I don't see anything on those ones. On that one, not those ones. Okay, this goes over there, and then let's grab some more. Yeah, that's it. Oh, put them over there. Not this way. Oh my goodness. I don't know if that's a scratch or it's part of the design. It's a very artsy, hammered matte finish, gold tone. a face here and all the cabochons. I like that. Okay, what else? Now this is supposed to be a bracelet, right? And you're supposed to add charms here. It looks brand new. Yeah, you can add the charms. So it will be like a cha-cha bracelet. So you can put these ones in there. So I think this is going into the crafting lot. It's a project. We have another brooch, a rose with enamel purple. All my roses in the garden, you guys, they are so beautiful. I planted 3 more roses this year and I'm so excited. It is so therapeutic for me to be out there and take care of my flowers and my vegetables. This is very interesting. A rope, kind of a blue, navy blue rope, and the pearls here, silver tone. Talking about navy blue, I have like a nautical. Oh my, these are very lightweight, all of them, all of the charms, and I have a feeling, crying out loud. We have a starfish. You get the idea, you guys. It's difficult to show charm bracelets. Fish, another fish. Yes, these are very lightweight, so it's comfortable to wear. And then a dolphin. I don't know about that though. Doesn't make sense to me. This one, no. Yeah. I'll bring my magnet next time. Okay, let me show you. Right. All of the charms here. Okay. I like that. Not a big fan of charm bracelets, but I like that one. Without this in the middle. This doesn't belong here. Not in my opinion. That's just my opinion. Okay, let me take this one out of the way though. This is an anklet. It's too big to be a bracelet. I think that's the silver with 3 glass crystals. Okay, and now this one. Okay, I don't think this was $39, or maybe it was. I have no idea. It's a nice one though. Very dangly. It's also heavy, well made, so cleaning too. Then I have a watch. Right. Acura. Okay. Oh, it's an art glass, dichroic art glass pendant. A big bale on a rope. Yeah, like this. I love it. And I believe these are sterling too. Okay, very well made, that one too. Okay, and let's little things now. These are very pretty, with a sterling clasp, a very nice one, and crystals here, a necklace. Look at all the facets and the sparkle. This is carved bone and some sort of a pin, maybe for your hair, not sure. That's cool. Oh, love this one. Flowers. Another pin. How do I show you this? You guys need to see the colors. See it? How pretty it is? I would like to take these two apart and make them into earrings. And add these two to a hook and make a pair of earrings. That's what I would do. Okay. A sister bracelet. 9 to 5 maybe. 9 to 5 LA. Right? Oh, this is old. I can tell. Okay, I think I need to undo the clasp here. It will be much easier for me if I do that. A filigree. And a nice blue cabochon. I need to clean this one. Love the details on the chain too. Very pretty. Okay. And now I have earrings, right? No, this is a pin. And it has a hook so you can also wear it as a pendant. There's no marking, but it looks like gold. I'll show you. Testing. Another stone here, a pendant. Is this jasper? I think so. Another pair of earrings, white and black. And they're very lightweight coin. Three coins here. Okay. I don't have the mate for this one. I really like this one. I don't have one. Oh. These are really nice. Nicely made. There's something in the back. St. John. So these are worth something. Clip-ons. Very, very nice. our post earrings, gold tone. Okay, and another pair. The back is not looking very good though. Orange glass. Okay, so another pair, and these are sterling. Post earrings. Oh, teacup, and the teapot. Very nice, I like them. It's another sterling pendant and a one center. Cool. Another pair, and another pair, and these ones with 4 pearls. These are going to the teapot and a teacup. This is without a match. These two are without a match, and that's it. All right. Okay, let's see. Oh, I love the set with the rice pearls. I like this Monet bracelet. I love that brooch. Oh, and the ocean nautical. Oh, and then the glass. This is very, very cool. I love. I'm gonna make earrings out of this, so I can wear them. And the St. John earrings over there. This cross is beautiful too. Oh, and the other ones, the silver. So it was a very good jar. What do you guys think? I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy. You know me, I'm always happy. I always find happiness in little things. I don't need much. This is nice too. Okay, so what do you guys think? I mean, I'm overwhelmed again with all the stuff on my table here. If I want to pick a favorite today, I'm thinking, well, this. There's something very cool about this. Yeah, and this, and that. Anyhow, you guys let me know which one was your favorite. I would like to know, as always. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you're not. It will help me grow. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.